And today on our Dear Claire series, we've got a question about home maintenance for winter. So what am I supposed to do? Obviously this time of year it's rainy and miserable and I don't really want to go outside and do anything, so I'm sure you don't either. So I've just got 4 things for you to keep in mind and kind of think about. When the rain stops, go outside, look up at the trees. I literally was just looking at a tree out my window, and it popped, the branch like literally broke off and bounced around and hit the ground and damaged a few things on the ground. So my first thing to you is go look at your trees. If you've got a humongous tree in the backyard, just look up and see if there are any branches that are broken that might need to be taken down or anything that looks wonky. You don't have to be a professional tree person to know what looks wonky. So that's the first thing, because of course you probably remember last year we had that crazy ice storm, and you don't want a big tree limb falling on your house. So a little diligence, just kind of walking around, checking things out, as easy as that. Don't, no stress, just look up, look around, and then go, yep, cool, got it. And then of course, the other big one, and this is a list in priority and difficulty, is your heating system. So we've got other Dear Claires about what different heating systems you see in houses, but the most common heating system you'll see is a furnace. And a furnace is going to be burning some sort of fuel, so you might have an electric furnace, a gas furnace, or an oil furnace. Any one of those, you're going to want to get it tuned up. You're going to want to change your filter. Those are the 2 big things. If you do that, then you'll be golden for the rest of the winter and spring. And then let's see, we've got fireplace. If you have a fireplace in your home, you should have a chimney sweep come out and look at it, because right now, it's Thanksgiving and Christmas and the holidays. You're going to want to burn fires in that fireplace, and you probably haven't had it checked out. So it's like $200 to have a chimney sweep come out. They'll look at it, make sure it looks like it's in good shape, and then they'll clean it all off from the last fire you had last Christmas. So get that scheduled and taken care of. It's simple and easy, and important. And the last thing is, we have so many rats and mice in Portland. So this time of year is when everybody's looking for shelter. So squirrels, mice, rodents, raccoons, even cats, they all get into your crawl space and they want to make a nice little nest in there to stay cozy and warm through the winter. So make sure that doesn't happen. Literally the signs that I have noticed are you hear scratching in the walls. Not a good sign, they're already there. You can hire somebody to go into the crawl space and search, like just kind of look around. And that actually includes your attic, because sometimes they'll jump off a tree limb and into the vents in your attic and get in that way. So I'd say once a year, and this time of year is a great time to do it, to look in there and see if there's anybody nesting in your crawl space. If you're interested in any more tips, we've got all kinds of stuff to while your time away, checking out things on your house. So go over to our YouTube channel at Paris Group Realty, LLC. And of course, tune in next week. We'll have some more tips for you. I hope you have a great week. You take care.